Every day this train scares the shit out of me. I almost fall in the water. So to update this conchord, it has been 3 days since I cut this tow rail open, and last night I went ahead and put some coring in here after letting it dry and hitting with a heat gun, and basically it seems like it's doing pretty good. And it's still pretty early. Everything's a little damp, except for here where the sun has been hitting. So I'm gonna keep moving. I think I'm gonna go ahead and fare this coring down so that I can glass. And I've got a bit of glass to do on this part of the tow rail as well, where it's a little light on the fiber. I don't know if you can see that where it's dark there. It's a little low, so I'm going to add some glass to that area too. And it's a pretty good day for it. And this is pretty dry. It's actually still got some dew on it from this morning, but should be dry any minute, really. So that's my plan for today.